You think it's laziness, you think you're just not motivated enough. But most people quit not because they're weak. They quit because their brain tricks them into comfort, into safety. This is the trap no one talks about, and if you don't understand it, you'll fall for it too. I know this because I've been there. I started a big project full of energy, excitement, goals, and then nothing. No progress. I told myself I was too busy, or that it wasn't the right time. But the truth, I was scared. Not scared of the work, scared of failing, scared of being judged. And so I did the easiest thing. I backed off, quietly. So, how do you escape the trap? Here are 3 tactics that work, because I've used them myself. Number 1, micro start. Don't plan for 2 hours, plan for 5 minutes. Just show up, just begin. Starting beats planning every time. Second, public progress. Share your goal, post your intention, tell a friend. Fear thrives in silence, kill it with accountability. Number 3, ritual over motivation. Discipline wins, same time, same place, every day. No drama, no hype, just action. Most people don't fail, they just stop. They slow down, they disappear, right when the breakthrough is closest. So if you're listening to this, you're not most people. You're here to do something real, to push through, to win your own fight against resistance. Subscribe for more if you're ready to break that cycle. And finally, do what you know you're capable of.